H5N1 is here and is just about to start spreading like a wildfire. Dr. Kawaka is the head of the gain-of-function research for this specific microorganism to weaponize it and use it against human beings. For those of you who don't yet know what gain-of-function research is, it is defined as medical research that genetically alters an organism in a way that may enhance the biological functions of gene products. This may include an altered pathogenesis, transmissibility, or host range, such as the type of hosts that a microorganism can infect. In other words, gain-of-function research turns a non-lethal microorganism into one that is dangerous and can kill its host. It's a weapon. The lethal version of the avian flu has already been intentionally released into the wild as a test, and is impacting animals such as birds, bears, skunks, raccoons, and even dolphins, to name a few.
Have you heard that? I've been researching it myself, and I'm like, man, could it happen again?
That's why we're here today. This is real news, not fake news. It involves officials in high places that have clearly exhibited unethical and disgraceful behavior.